Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Notion to track expenses with lightweight databases step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.notion.so and press enter. Once the Notion homepage loads, look for the download option in the top right corner. Click on the download button. You will see options for various platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Select the appropriate version for your device. The download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Notion installation file. For Windows, double-click the .exe file to begin the installation process. For Mac, double-click the .dmg file to mount it, then drag the Notion app into your Applications folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the Notion app. If prompted, sign in to your Notion account or create a new one if you do not have an account yet. Once you are logged in, create a new page by clicking the plus icon in the sidebar. In the new page, type Expense Tracker as the title. Now, click on the empty page to start adding a database. Select the database option from the block menu. Choose Table to create a new database. Your database will open with default columns. Rename the first column to Date. Add a second column and name it Item. Create a third column and title it Amount. You might want to add a fourth column for Category to help organize your expenses. To customize your database, click on the column headers to change the property types as needed. For the Date column, select Date as the property type. For the Amount column, select Number as the property type. In the Category column, you can use the Select property to create predefined categories. Now you're ready to start tracking your expenses. Click on the empty rows to begin entering your expenses. Fill in the date of the expense in the Date column. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.